this tour will mark 82 shows for us here at the 3Arena over 25 years, so it's kind of incredible. We didn't actually know that figure until we came out to speak to you guys today, and when you hear the fact that we've done 82 shows in this building behind us, it's just incredible. And then to think, you know, all the Crow Parks and the Viva Stadiums that we've done as well, it just shows the support in Ireland for Westlife is just incredible. I mean, like, it's one thing being successful around the world, but being successful in your home country, I think there's something just a little bit more special about that. And you know, the love that we receive walking around the streets in Ireland, you know, in our hometowns, Sligo, Dublin, wherever we come from, you know, it's just incredible. And I think it's just, this for us is a celebration of, you know, 25 years of Westlife, 83 shows here in the 3Arena, or 82 shows, sorry. It's just incredible.
And Nicky, you talked about the fact that this is going to be one of the biggest shows that Westlife have ever staged because of the production. It's at another kind of level, isn't it?
Yeah, I mean, you have to. We always go into every tour to try and outdo the last few. But I think the more you do, you know, you wonder how many more times you'll do it. You know, we're all family men. We've all got grown up. Well, younger kids. We've quite the demographic of young kids to older kids. Like my boys are doing their twin boys in their leaving cert next month.
So you're saying we're heading towards 50, Nicky?
Well, you're not far off. I'll be there before you will.
But
it's funny because we've all grown up in this country. We've all come to this arena. I was here for the Cranberries in '94, '95. Saw U2 here maybe 10 years ago, and only recently I was collecting my lads from Ollie Moore's here. So like living here and then getting to do all these shows is quite incredible. You meet people on the streets getting coffee in the morning going, I'm going to see you, we're really looking forward to it. And like we said earlier, you don't know if you ever do it again, so you kind of want to really enjoy it. And saying that, you want to go out and really put on the best show. So we've an amazing creative team in the United States, and you know, we're at that point now where we're discussing and probably arguing over set lists. That's the next big problem, what song goes in and what doesn't make it.
And for you, Shane, you said you were very lucky to still be doing this after all these years.
Absolutely.
Why is it such a...
I don't know what it is. We always feel like we're lucky. You know, we always feel like we're doing 13 nights in the 3Arena in September, and we pinch ourselves when that happened. We put on 5 when we announced the gigs back in September or October, and we were genuinely nervous. We were nervous about it because you just never know. You never know if the love's still there. And obviously, you know, we multiplied more nights then and stuff, but even playing Crow Park, the Viva Stadium, it's something you kind of grow up dreaming of, you know. And I don't know, we just find ourselves very lucky, very proud. As Cian said, you know, being successful in your home country is probably the most important thing to us, because it's where our families are, it's where our kids come to see us, and it's going to be spectacular. It really is. September is going to be amazing.
One last question on the casting of the hands. This is an honour, isn't it, that 3Arena has not really done
before?
Yeah.
We've never done it before, and again, to do it in our home country in the 3Arena, we're very proud of it. It's a nice thing to be asked to do, and a nice honour for us to. We'll have it here forever. Our hands will be there in the pavement forever, so that's pretty cool.